Thinking of using priority meds to help with weight loss this year? With the rise of GLP-1 meds like semaglutide and tirzepatide, it's no surprise more people are turning to online clinics. But is priority meds actually legit or just another online gamble? Quick disclaimer, everything in this video is based on publicly available information and personal opinion. Priority Meds offers telehealth consultations and ships weight loss injections like semaglutide and tirzepatide straight to your door. On paper, it sounds convenient and affordable. According to Trustpilot, they've got a 4.4-star rating from 329 reviews. Many customers seem happy, mentioning smooth consultations and real weight loss progress. Some say they've dropped 10 to 30 pounds over a few months, but it's not all glowing. A chunk of users mentioned delays with shipping, getting powdered meds that required mixing, or unexpected charges when trying to cancel. On Reddit, a few people also raised concern about the needs to reconstitute injections and not being warned up front. For the final verdict, Priority Meds doesn't seem like a scam, but it's not perfect either. The weight loss results look promising, but some users had issues with transparency, delivery times, and product handling. If you're thinking of trying it, read the fine print, ask questions during your consultation, and make sure you're comfortable mixing medication if needed. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.